Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be building a GMT dress watch using this NH34 movement, along with this black dial. This dial comes with 4 dial feet, but we only need 2. The 2 that align with these 2 slots in the movement. Carefully cut the dial feet that are not required, and use a file to smoothen the cut. For the NH34 movement, we need to place a dial spring between the dial and the movement. This is for the GMT hand to move freely. After the spring, place the dial and align the 2 dial feet. Then press to fix the dial firmly to the movement. Before we start attaching the hands, we need to ensure that the movement is in the midnight position. To do that, pull the crown out to the time adjust position and turn the crown clockwise until the date just ticks over. Let's start with the hands. First, attach the GMT hand. Gently place the hand pointing towards the 12 o'clock mark, and then press using the hand setting tool. Ensure that the hand rotates without interfering with anything. Next, the hour hand. Ensure the time is at midnight and place the hand pointing towards the 12 o'clock mark. Then press using the hand setting tool. Ensure both hands rotate without any interference. Next, the minutes hand. Ensure that the time is at midnight. Place the hand pointing towards the 12 o'clock mark. Then press using the hand setting tool. Check the movement of all the 3 hands. They should not interfere with each other or the dial. Last hand to attach is the seconds hand. Align the hand and press using the hand setting tool. It works! Check the hand movement one last time. Now the case I am using today came in 3 parts. One middle section, which holds the movement, the front section, and the back section. Remove the crown from the case and remove the dummy stem from the movement. Carefully place the movement inside the middle section of the case, roughly aligning the 3 o'clock crown position. Attach the crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement. I place the front section on top so that I can flip the movement. I have not screwed it in place yet. Flip the case around to work on the stem. Measure the length of the stem that needs to be cut. Remove the stem, unscrew the crown, and carefully cut to the desired length. Use a file to smoothen the cut. Attach the Corwin back to the stem and insert it into the movement. Unfortunately, I didn't measure the length correctly and the stem here is a bit longer in length. No problem though, I repeated the steps again to cut it to the correct desired length. This time it fit perfectly well. Now place the back section of the case and align it with the screw holes. Carefully place one screw in and tighten it. Do not tighten it fully, just till it is holding the case back in place. Carefully place another screw in the opposite position and tighten it. Again, do not tighten it fully, just till it is holding the case back in place. Before we attach the other 4 screws, I just wanted to check that the hands are moving freely and not touching the case. Now attach the remaining screws and tighten all of them. Tighten the previous 2 screws as well. Remove all the protective plastic sheets. It's looking really nice, simple and elegant. Let me know in the comments down below on what you think of this build. Attach the straps. I have used a black color crocodile leather strap. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.